Hi there, and welcome to Exposing the Scam, the social media edition. I'm Tony, and I've been investigating, studying, and protecting people from fraud for a good many years now. Every day I scroll through my social media and find more and more scams. And the worrying part is that how many people are still falling for them. Now, whether you're a social media enthusiast, a concerned parent, or someone who just wants to stay safe online, this course is for you. Social media connects us in amazing ways, but it also exposes us to a variety of threats. Today, scammers aren't just targeting corporations, they're targeting people like you and me. And trust me, they're clever. Did you know, for example, trillions are lost worldwide each year through scams? Scams like romance scams, investment scams, phishing scams, and you'll find them all on social media. In this course, you'll gain essential skills on how to identify, avoid, and protect yourself from the most prevalent of these scams. So why does this course matter? Well, over 95% of social media scams succeed, not just through technical hacking, but through psychological tricks. Despite abundant information about scams, people continue to fall victim to them. Now, this suggests to me there's a gap between available information and effective learning that helps people actually change their behavior and recognize scams in real time. So in this course, I'm going to teach you how to recognize the 10 most common social media scams, how scammers manipulate psychology to trick us, and how to protect your accounts, data, and financial information with proven security practices. But this course isn't just about avoiding scams. It's about giving you the confidence to navigate social media safely and securely. Let me break down exactly what you'll gain from this course. Awareness. You'll learn to spot scams the moment they appear, whether it's a fake investment opportunity or a malicious link from a friend. Practical security skills. I'll show you step by step how to optimize your privacy settings and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. And response strategies. In case something goes wrong, you'll know exactly what to do to regain control of your accounts and protect your finances. Now, this isn't just theory. I'll be sharing real-world examples and practical exercises to help you apply these lessons immediately. By the end of this course, you'll have a personalized social media safety plan that fits your needs. Let me show you how it's structured. Understanding social media scams. We'll kick things off by exploring why scammers target social media and the psychological triggers they exploit. The top 10 social media scams. We'll take a real look into the real-world examples of each scam with actionable tips to avoid them. Privacy settings optimization. I'll walk you through the exact steps to secure your accounts and limit your data exposure. Active monitoring crisis response. You'll learn how to monitor your accounts, detect threats, and respond quickly if something goes wrong. And interactive exercises and practice scenarios. These will help you build confidence in applying what you've learned. So I'll be sharing bonus tips and tools throughout this course to help you stay one step ahead of the scammers. So whether you're new to social media or you're an experienced user, this course will empower you with the knowledge and skills to use these platforms confidently and securely. Remember, protecting yourself online isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Are you ready to take control of your social media safely? Let's dive in and get started.